The fear of missing out, the attention economy, 100 million distractions all at once. Dopamine is a brain hormone. It's the feel-good rush we get of being engaged with something. Our brains love dopamine, it makes us feel good. We also are addicted to it. Tweets, texts, notifications, emails, Instagram pop-ups, pictures, likes, loves, comments. 2000 before Christ to 2020, our brains are not any different, nor are the hours in our day. But what we leverage our attention to, by God, has that changed. Most of us cannot go more than 5 minutes without needing to be fed by something. God forbid we missed a reply, comment, or update. The cruel reality is that we are addicted to nothingness, no smarter, no wiser, no more educated, no more able to change our lives. We got the most powerful technological devices in human history, and we use them to watch cat videos, laugh at dank memes, and read the headlines of articles, and then believe our opinions are informed. It's not, and we are not. We know nothing, and we don't want to admit it. And we are dopamine junkies, addicted to the cheap and easy rush that comes from all of the above. You are an addict, so let's break the cycle. On top of knowing nothing, we cannot focus on anything. We might miss a damn update. Our dopamine betrays us. So here is my challenge to you. Earn your dopamine. Do things that delay gratification. Read a book. Have a conversation. Practice a skill. Talk to someone face to face, eye to eye. Do your work. And do nothing but your work. Go to the gym, follow a program and train. Engage in conversation and do not check devices for updates. Focus is a deadly skill in the world, as so few people now have it. He who can do one thing and one thing only shall master something and be far, far ahead of everyone else. You are done watching this video. Now go on, focus and do something good for yourself and someone else.